Hey guys, it's Cheyenne with Soft Crochet Times, and today we're going to be going over how to do the V-stitch. So to start this stitch, you're going to go ahead and chain a multiples of 2. So first we got to make our slip knot, so just make a little loop, grab some yarn that's still attached to the skein, push a little loop through, and pull the tail. Go ahead and put your hook in there, and then tighten it up. So go ahead and crochet multiples of 2 until your piece is as long as you want. So I think I'm gonna do 16, that way it's long enough for me to show you guys. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Alright, so I have my piece long enough where it's 16 stitches. So if you wanted to make your piece exactly a certain length, do multiples of 2 until you reach that length, and then you're going to want to add 2 at the end. Alright, so go ahead and double crochet into the fourth chain from the hook. Alright, and then we're going to go ahead and double crochet back into that same stitch. And then we are going to skip one of the chains and double crochet again twice into the next stitch. There's 1, and here's 2. And then you're going to go ahead, skip the next chain, 2 double crochets into the next one. Okay, and then just go ahead and continue that across until you get to the very end. Alright, so I'm here at the last 2 chains. So you're just going to go ahead and skip this chain, and then to the very last you're just going to do 1 double crochet. Alright, so there's that row finished. Your piece should look something like this. Then we're going to go ahead and do 2 chains, then turn our work, and we're going to go ahead and do 2 double crochets right into that space between these first 2 double crochets. So go ahead and do 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Alright, so you see how we double crocheted into that space? And now we're going to continue on, making sure that we work not into the holes up top like we usually do, but into these spaces right between the clusters of double crochets. So there's 1 double crochet, and then 2. And then you're just going to continue across, making sure you work in between the double crochets of the previous round. So 1 and 2. And just go ahead until you finish that across. Alright, and now we've reached the end, and what we're going to do is we're going to double crochet into that chain 2 space that let us go up here. Alright, so yarn over, push your hook right into that chain 2, and double crochet. Right, so your piece should look something like this right now. And as you can see, we're starting to see those V's. And as you move it forward, or as you continue, you'll definitely see those V's be more pronounced, especially if you're doing color changes. For this piece, I'm just doing the 1 color, just that way I could show you guys. So we're going to continue just like we did last round. Chain 2. And then we're just going to do 2 double crochets in between every one of those 2 double crochet clusters. Alright, so just go ahead and continue across, and I'll meet up with you on the other side. Alright, so once again we are at the end. So you're just going to go ahead and yarn over, and you're going to go ahead and double crochet right into that chain 2. Alright, so this is our V-stitch so far, and as you can see, you're starting to see the V's come out. Alright, so that's the end of this tutorial, and I really hope you guys like it. The V-stitch is a very versatile stitch. It can be used for pretty much anything, blankets, sweaters, anything that you can imagine that's solid, and it really adds some extra texture. So if you guys like this tutorial, please comment, share, subscribe, all that other good stuff. I am going to link some other stitches in the description box, and I really appreciate it for you guys for watching. If you make any projects using this stitch, I would really appreciate seeing some pictures. I really like knowing that I'm helping you guys out. Make sure you send those to me on Instagram, message me on Facebook. And with that being said, thank you for watching, and keep on stitching.